这个盘子好漂亮啊！
对啊。
Yeah, I use the thicker part.
Thicker part on the front?
No, on my right hand.
Thicker part on the left hand?
I don't use two hands to eat.
Thank you. 好妙。
对啊。最喜欢看这个啊。
Thank you.
你看这个鱼都看起来好漂亮。
Thank you so much.
我还有起司，你看，哇哦！
好好吃啊！
And with like a grated daikon radish, and we use parsimony, like a seasonal fruit.
Okay.
And then next grass cup, this one is surinagashi, is like soup, like soup.
Okay.
And vegetable soup is cauliflower.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And then below the long cup, this one is social shrimp, deep fried social shrimp, marinated dashi and vinegar.
Okay.
And below the another grass cup, this one is a homaguro sashimi, the bluefin tuna sashimi, and top is using onion sauce. This
Okay.
is sea cucumber.
Okay.
Last three items. This one is a deep fried snow crab claw with another cracker. And then this one is nikogori is like unagi nikogori is eel jure. You know the like eel.
Okay.
Eel jure.
Okay.
Last one is this one is also like a homaguro. And the outside is daikon radish. And
Okay.
also center yellow also pickle daikon.
Okay.
So you got any order.
Okay. So beautiful. Yeah. Thank you. 好漂亮呀！哇，这样好重啊！
Unfortunately, if you are like very well involved, it's going to come out the person.
慢慢来，它也是更慢慢的上。
对啊，对啊，对啊，不要吃太快。哦，
I know. My thumb.
Combination style sushi. So it's scallops and uni fusion. Both from Hokkaido. Those are your favorites.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
你记不记得你上次给我们那个，那个在里面那也很好吃。我看见嘴巴有点。
Right, so horse beef sushi. So this is zukechu doro. So house soy sauce marinated. Alright, so next sushi. So this is hirame kombujume. It's a kelp cured flounder. So top right is a Japanese pickle crab and a salty kelp, like a mixed piece.
这跟上次一样。
Yeah, one of my favorite seaweed. Yeah.
I love good seafood.
It didn't struggle at all.
Yeah, the crunchy and aromatize of tam
It was like, I'm eating all, but oh man, this is so good.
Maybe by fluid, yeah, breathe in, yeah.
Vacuum safe.
Okay, so next sushi. So this is katsuo. This is bonito tuna and a cold smoke with cherry wood, like a smoky flavor, and a shadow, and the chives on it. Thank you. Thank you.
最好不要碰到。
That was a gift from
So next sushi. So this is shima aji. It's a Japanese striped jack, incorporates daikon radish and usual chili.
Okay, thank you.
sea bream. Underneath the scallion mixed with the mustard leaves. And the topping will have a
Caught up to me. I know it's your second one.
yeah, it's the chicken broth mixed with the fish bone broth.
Okay.
Those are rookie numbers.
Thank you.
I don't have an Asian man's stomach for sure.
Thank you.
Nothing beats that.
Oh, tender.
I want to experience that again.
I know, that was great.
Such a big piece of uni.
I thought you ate it already.
We did.
Okay, so this is scallops and sea urchin, both from Hokkaido.
Okay, thank you. 所以它怎么样？哇哦，
对呀，
没有那个是
那是那一种，搞到推成这样子，可能一口就60块而已。
我觉得是真的。
对啊，他们一说喜欢，他们就变成。
Wow, now you got it.
So this is katsugodai, it's a Japanese baby sea bream, like a small snapper. And the top yellow one is crystallized egg yolk powder.
I'm trying to understand.
Okay.
So this is a fish is Japanese sea eel, and then Binjodan charcoal sea, the seaweed from Kyushu, Japan. I'm gonna give it to you, hand it to you. Please enjoy apple bites.
Thank you.
Please enjoy.
Yeah, thank you.
No, not only
对啊，真的好嫩。
I'm just watching it.
What number are we on?
You remember 3 more people. 3 more. You getting full? Yes. Or I can do the less rice or no rice, or which one better for you?
No, with rice.
This is one from Oita Prefecture. Underneath the beef, there's a strapped potato with a couple of carrot, tempura, yuzu, sesame seeds, and some part in here is onion. Okay, thank you.
음, 对，是那个黄色的，好像是万能条。
Well, you're all Vietnamese.
然后一人都不鸟，而且他没有煮很多，他们就要把它弄散，所以不会这么热。加之前像那样子搅，然后会搅像融掉很难的。就是油也是要加蛮多的。它有加麻油是不是？还是有油吗？看起来都有啊。我去咬一口怎么样？才觉得是。Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so back to sushi. So this is hagashitoro. It's kind of like seared otoro.
Okay, thank you.
No, not yet.
对啊。这也蛮多的。
This is 2 kinds of uni, both from Hokkaido. So bafuni and kaisui uni, 2 different.
What's the difference?
So this is like a hako uni, box uni, like short spicy uji.
Okay.
And then this one is. Alright, so this is a bluefin tuna and a green scallion. And then this one is a small rice.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, please enjoy.
这是我煮的，因为没人来。
Okay, so this is last sushi, last piece sushi. Unagi no shirayaki is never been frozen from Tokyo to Sushi Market, the barbecue.
Kyoto Red Meat and also the rivers. Dessert. House-made yuzu and shiso sorbet, and a cup you get Japanese Hibiki whiskey.
Okay. Would I get drunk?
It's very light tasting, mixed with the
Thank you. I'll too.